How to use advanced Snapchat features. To use advanced Snapchat feature, you could record a video and swipe to apply speed features such as slow motion, fast forward, rewind as well. And all you need is just tap on it and drag and drop from your finger or drawing color palettes as well. Now here I'm going to show you. So open up your Snapchat application, then take a snap. Let's say I'm going to go with this video. All right, so this is the one. Now what you could do is, after recording a video, you could swipe left just like this. There you have a lot of effects. You could apply it, just do it so, and accordingly you could fast forward it or maybe slow motion it or actually change the color as well. You could go and explore all of these. You could also use sticker that you could find it. And likewise, if you want to get more features, you could subscribe or you could get a premium version of Snapchat or Snapchat Plus. That can also be helpful in order to use advanced feature in Snapchat. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.